Would you like to have your own chatbot but don't know anything about coding? With this amazing tool, you can bring your chatbot ideas to life in no time. Whether you're a developer or a business owner, creating your own chatbot has never been easier. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to create and customize your very own chatbot using Botsonic's intuitive platform. Let's dive in and unleash the power of conversational AI. Botsonic is a no-code AI chatbot builder that allows users to create hyper-intelligent, conversational AI chatbots without writing a single line of code. It is powered by OpenAI GPT-4 language model, making it easy to load data to a centralized knowledge base that trains ChatGPT-1. Let me show you how to create a simple and fully working chatbot for your business or personal website. Let's start by entering the basic settings. Please keep in mind that the full version of Botsonic uses GPT-4 language model. Some of the settings are also shown in the user interface, so you might want to pay extra attention to those. For instance, messages are the most important part of the interaction between the chatbot and the user. All the settings here can of course be changed later to meet your specific requirements, so you don't need to know every little detail at this point. After completing the setup, remember to save the modifications before proceeding to the following stage. You can also test the bot at any point by clicking the Test Bot button in the upper right corner. You can easily personalize the visual aspect of your chatbot to align with your brand or website. Incorporate your own logos, images, and colors to customize the chatbot's appearance, ensuring a smooth integration with your brand. Alternatively, you can utilize the images and icons offered by Botsonic. All the updates from the placement of the widget to the welcome message can be done here easily without any coding. As mentioned before, feel free to test the chatbot with the updated settings to ensure that the changes you have made are in line with your and your brand's needs. Source is the core of the chatbot, and it practically defines what your chatbot is all about. By carefully selecting your sources, you are able to narrow the topic of your chatbot to match exactly your own business or website topic. There are multiple ways and file types how you can upload your data into Botsonic. You can use PDF, text files, or Microsoft Word documents and upload them into Botsonic. Using spreadsheets is also possible. If the information you would like to use in the chatbot is located on a website, you can just enter the URL of the website and train the system with the data. If you want to import data directly from Salesforce, for instance, that's possible too. With the Guidelines Manager, you can fine-tune your bot's automatically generated responses by adding customized instructions. It's like giving the bot instructions on how to behave when interacting with users. The good thing with bots compared to humans is that they remember their instructions and never get tired. There won't be any bad days or bad moments. So, once you have added your guidelines, you can be sure that the guidelines are followed. In case you don't come up with anything to write here, any company guideline for customer service could be applicable as well. The goal is to make the chatbot polite and friendly as in any other customer service situation. The next step in generating your chatbot is to decide how and where you want your chatbot to be shown. Botsonic provides you with many options. Embedding the widget on your website with JavaScript or iframe, using API, or integrating with a variety of platforms from WhatsApp to WordPress. In this example, I'll use JavaScript and will show you at the end of this video what the live version looks like. All the conversations with the users are stored in the inbox, where you can easily see and monitor what kind of talks have been made in your chatbot. It's a great place to check whether your bot is working as you planned. For a more detailed analysis, you can track and monitor the performance of your chatbot with the analytics tool. It provides you with more accurate numbers about the key metrics of the user and chatbot behavior. By monitoring and analyzing these key metrics, the company can gain valuable insights into its performance and customer satisfaction, thereby making informed decisions to drive business growth and success. If you have yet to evaluate your chatbot, now is the perfect opportunity to do so and determine if it aligns with your desired appearance and user experience. Everything you configured in previous steps can now be seen in the preview. If you are happy with what you see here, it's time to publish your chatbot. This is what my chatbot looks like on a live website. It's a fully functional customer service and a user helper tool that uses the data I uploaded. This chatbot is about dogs, but obviously you can use any data as a source for your bot. Botsonic is being used across various industries, such as education, real estate, healthcare, retail, hospitality, and travel, to provide virtual campus guidance, personalized property assistance, virtual health advising, AI shopping assistance, concierge services, and interactive travel planning, etc. And as always, don't just take my word for it. Try Botsonic and see for yourself how effortless it is to generate your own chatbot. Click the link in the description of this video and start your free trial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos about cool AI tools.